We all know how to keep our home cool, but how do you know if your AC is running efficiently to keep your electric bill low and avoid breakdowns? The Sentry Air Conditioning Monitoring System helps you and your contractor keep your AC running better. When you consider that 60% of a home's energy bill can be due to air conditioning costs, and a more efficient air conditioner can save you 30% on your electric bill, Sentry makes sense. Sentry's cellular connection doesn't use your Wi-Fi network, and with remote monitoring, your contractor can know about issues and schedule a service call before your AC stops working. Avoid surprises like coming home to a hot house. Have peace of mind knowing that your AC is working even when you're not home. You can also get extra home protection with the Floody Flood Sensor. Floody helps reduce mold and water damage by detecting leaks from air conditioners, water heaters, and more. You can remotely monitor temperature in your home too. Stay cool. Sentry's on guard. Contact your HVAC contractor today.